Hello, welcome to Tech Geek for another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to update the Windows installed on your computer on your laptop. So let's get it started. Go to your computer start menu and then click on settings of your computer. You will get this screen. From here, you will click on update and security. And this is the option which will be selected by default. You see here, I just stopped updating my Windows. So if your Windows needs updation, you will see here update instead of resume updates. So you will click on update option and this will start your Windows updating. After few minutes or after half an hour, your Windows will get updated. That is how you update your Windows on your system. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel